Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
Hello, I'm Judy, and this is John. You are listening to J&J English Cafe.
So, grab a cup of coffee and join us for a chat.
Today, we're going to spend a few minutes learning something useful together.
I'm ready. Let's get started. Hello everyone. Welcome back to J&J English Cafe. I am your host John.
And I am Judy. It is so nice to be here with you again. How are you doing today, John?
Well, actually, I am a little bit worried today, Judy.
Oh, why is that? What is wrong?
It is my grandmother. I visited her yesterday, and she told me that she cannot see the television very well. She also says that reading her favorite books is getting very difficult.
I am sorry to hear that. Did she say what it feels like when she tries to look at things?
Yes, she did. She said it feels like she is looking through a dirty or a foggy window. Everything looks blurry and not clear at all.
That sounds very familiar. Did she mention if colors look different to her too?
Now that you mention it, yes. She said that the white walls in her living room look a bit yellow or brown lately. She thought she just needed to clean the house.
Oh, that is a very common sign of something called cataracts.
Cataracts? That is a big word. Can you tell me more about that?
Of course. First, let us look at the word. It is spelled C-A-T-A-R-A-C-T-S. Cataracts are a very common eye problem, especially for older people.
Is it like a disease? Or is it like having something stuck in your eye?
Not exactly. To understand it, think of your eye like a small camera. Inside that camera, there is a lens. In a healthy eye, this lens is very clear, just like a piece of clean glass or water.
Okay, so the light goes through the clear lens so we can see.
Right. But as we get older, the proteins in that lens start to change. They clump together and make the lens cloudy.
Oh, so that is why she feels like she is looking through a foggy window. The lens itself is not clear anymore.
Exactly. It is not dust on the outside of the eye. It is a change inside the lens. That is why wiping her eyes does not help her see better.
Wow, that makes so much sense now. Is it dangerous? Will she lose her vision completely?
It can make things very dark if you wait too long, but the good news is that cataracts are very easy for doctors to fix.
Really? How do they fix a cloudy lens inside the eye?
Well, they do a very short surgery. It is called cataract surgery.
Surgery? Oh, that sounds very scary for my grandmother. She does not like hospitals at all.
I understand, but there is no need to worry. This is one of the most common and safest surgeries in the whole world. Millions of people have it every year.
What do the doctors actually do during the surgery?
They make a very tiny opening in the eye. Then, they take out the old cloudy lens and put in a new, clear plastic lens.
A plastic lens? Does it stay there forever?
Yes, it becomes a part of the eye. The best part is that the surgery usually only takes about 15 to 20 minutes. It is very fast.
Only 20 minutes? That is amazing. Does it hurt?
Most people say it does not hurt at all. They use special drops to numb the eye. Most patients can even go home on the same day and start seeing better very quickly.
Wow, medical technology is so cool. I should tell my grandmother to see an eye doctor soon.
Yes, that is the best thing to do. An eye doctor can check her eyes and tell her if it is time for the surgery. Many people say that after the surgery, the world looks bright and colorful again.
I am so happy to hear that. I want her to enjoy her books and her TV shows again.
I am sure she will. It is just a part of getting older, but we are lucky to have a way to fix it.
Thank you so much for explaining this, Judy. I feel much more relaxed now.
You are very welcome, John. I hope your grandmother feels better soon.
Me too. Thanks for listening, everyone. See you next time.
Goodbye.
Wow, that was a very interesting topic, Judy. I hope our listeners enjoyed it too.
I hope so. If you like the vibes here at our cafe, please subscribe and give us a 5-star review.
Also, don't forget to check the show notes for the vocabulary list and today's key phrases.
Thanks for stopping by J&J English Cafe. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.